For today's activity, we're going to be working with multiple meaning words. Now, you're going to receive word cards from your teacher. By yourself, in partners, or in groups, you're going to look at all the words on the word cards. Today, we're going to focus on the word patient. Once you find a word you want to focus on, you can then either look in the dictionary or go to dictionary.com and search that word. On dictionary.com, there are two different definitions that we're going to look at. The first one, a person who is under medical care or treatment, which is a noun, or the verb, which is defined as calm and without complaint. Once you figure out the two different definitions, you're then going to go to your sentence sheet. You're going to then put the two words into sentences. The first one, the patient talked to the doctor and the nurse. That goes along with the first definition we looked up that talks about receiving medical care. The second sentence says, be patient, the movie will begin soon. That refers to the calm and without complaint. Once you're finished, let your teacher know.